Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to the video, welcome back to another interesting tutorial on our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing step-by-step guide on how to make use of Flipaclip app as a beginner. Step-by-step guide on how to make use of Flipaclip app as a beginner. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you are coming across my video for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post an important video live. And also, if you have not joined my WhatsApp group, my Telegram channel, you're really missing a lot. There's a free class going on how to create a Go animation for 2 weeks. It's just free. So without wasting much of time, let's begin today's tutorial. So I'm going to click on the Flipaclip app. You can get to your Play Store or your Apple Store. It's both available for the Android user and the iOS user. So I'm going to click on the app now to proceed. This is the app interface now. This page allows you to see more setting about the app. This page allows you to start for a particular project, while this page allows you to start creating your animation. So I'm going to click on this plus icon now to start creating my animation. So I'm going to type the name of my animation. Here it says type the name of your animation. So I'm going to type Palumi animation or any name for your animation. Palumi animation. Then I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on this page that says choose the background. What this place means that you can choose a default background that Flipaclip has for you. Flipaclip has a default background for us, so you can make your default background from Flipaclip. As you proceed in your tutorial or in your creating of the animation, you can change the background if you like. So I'm going to make your default background if Flipaclip now. So I'm going to click on this place that allows us to choose the default background that Flipaclip have for us. So I'm going to click on this place that's called the pocket color, that allows you to choose color for your background. This space allows you to bring background from your gallery, while this space allows you to take a particular photo of the background you want to use. So I'm going to click on the place that allows you to choose a default background from Flipaclip. I'm going to make use of this background, then go back. Now I'm going to come over to this space that says canvas size. Choose the canvas size. Now we have a lot of canvas size. We have the YouTube size, we have the Instagram, the TikTok, the Facebook, and the many social media. So I'm going to be making use of this 180p, which is the YouTube size. So it depends on the canvas. It depends on the social media you're creating for. That is when you can choose the canvas size. So I'm going to make use of this first one, that is the 180p. I'm going to click on it, then go back, then come over to this page that says choose frame per second. So I'm going to click on it. Then it says currently you need to draw 12 frames to make 1 minute 1 second animation. So for you to make 1 second animation of Flipaclip, you need 12 pages to make 1 second. For you to make 2 seconds animation, you need 24 pages to make 2 seconds animation. This goes a long way, but as we proceed in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to achieve that in an easy way. So I'm going to go back now, click on create project. So this is another interface of the app. This place is called the pen tool, the eraser, the lasso tool, the bucket color, the text. While this place allows us to add song to our Flipaclip. This place allows us to preview what we are creating. While this place is called the layer icon. This place allows you to see more setting about the app if you want to bring your image into your Flipaclip. But as we proceed, I'm going to show you guys how to do all these things in an easy way. So now I'm going to click on the pen tools now. So this pen allows us to draw. Without the pen, we can't make a drawing in our Flipaclip. So let me just make a drawing now. Remember, this is a tutorial. Do not mind my drawing at all. So I'm going to go back now. Then for me to activate the pencil drawing, to see more tools under the pencil, I'm going to double tap on it 2 times. So I have to double tap on it like this one. So as you can see, when I double tap on it, it displays another tools again. So the pen tools have its own tool as now. So under the pen tool, we have the type of pen, we have the pen size, and we have the pen color. So this place actually allows us to choose the type of pen we want. This place allows you to increase and decrease the size of your pen. While this place allows you to choose a particular color for your pen. So let me show you how this one works. As you can see, you choose the type of pen you want. So I'm going to be choosing this first one. Go back, then I'm going to come to this place. If I bring this particular place down, it decrease, but if I take it up, it increase. So if I bring it down, so I'm drawing, the drawing is going to be tiny, but if I take it up and make a drawing, the drawing is going to be very big. That is the work of these tools here. Why this piece allows you to choose a particular color for your drawing or for your pen. So let me show you how it works. So I'm going to click on this place now to choose a color. I'm just choose red or this color. Choose this color. So I'm going to go back. So I hope you can notice it actually changed from black to purple. So I'm going to come to this place now, then bring it down a little bit, then make a drawing to show you guys. Let me just pick it down. It's still the same thing. So as you can see it, you can see the size of each of them are different. This side is different from this one, while this one is different from this one. So that is the work of this one here. It allows you to increase and decrease the size of your pen. So that is all for the pen tools. I'm going to click on it to go back, then erase the one I've drew before, then come over to the eraser tools. So click on it to activate the tools under the eraser tools. Then this page allows you the type of eraser you want. This page allows you to increase and decrease the size of your eraser, while this page allows you to fill a particular edge, while this page is called the opacity. So I'm going to click on it to choose the type of eraser. So I'm going to be choosing this first type of eraser. I'm going to click on it and go back and come to this place, bring it down to decrease, take it up to increase. That is the work of this one actually here. So let me take it up now to clean a particular place in this drawing. So let me just clean this. Hope you can see it's actually cleaning it. If I bring it down now, the way it's going to clean is going to be very tiny because I've actually reduced the size of the eraser. As you can see, that is the work of this one here. It allows you to increase and decrease the size of eraser. I'm going to show you these tools next now. I'm going to tap on this one now. Same process, bring it down to decrease, take it up to increase. So let me just pick the particular edge here. So as you can see, that is the work of this one. It allows you to fade a particular edge. You can notice, you can notice the edge. As you can see that is the work of this one here. It allows you to fade a particular edge. Why this bit is called the opacity allows you to actually make something invisible. It's more likely like razor, but it's just a little bit different from razor. That is, well, let me try it out. Opacity work. I'm going to tap on the opacity now. Same process, bring it down to decrease, take it up to increase. So let me just show you how it works. As you can see, it's not going to actually make it invisible or clean the particular place finish, but it's going to somehow make it light a little bit. That is the work of the opacity. So that is all for the eraser tools. So I'm going to go back now, tap on it to go back. So I'm going to come back to this latitude, lasso rather, sorry, it's called lasso. So I'm going to tap on it now. This work of lasso, it allows you to move your image from one place to another in Flipaclip, or to delete a particular image if you make a mistake. So now when I click on the lasso, I want to move this particular image that I draw in this background. So I'm just going to make a shape like this. Make sure you tap on it before you can activate it. As you can see, when I make a shape, I can actually now move it from one place to another. If I want to put it to the left or right place, I can do that with the help of these tools here. So I want to flip it now. As you can see, when I click on this particular tools, these tools activate. So if you want to activate these tools down here, you must click on these particular tools to activate them. So this place allows you to flip. This place allows you to turn it upside down, up or down. While this place allows you to expand to expand the particular image you've drawn in your project. So that is the work of these tools here. So I'm going to go back now. So I'm going to come over to this place that is called the bucket color. This bucket color, it allows you to color a particular place in your drawing or in your character. So I must tap on it 2 times to activate. So as you can see the color here, as you can see the percentage. So I'm going to click on this place to choose the color I want to color my character. So I'm going to come to this blue, go back. Please guys, watch this video to the end so you don't miss out any important part. And if you find this video, if you can give it a thumbs up, comment, share to your loved ones and family. So after I've clicked on this, after I've choose the color I want to use to color my character, then I will tap on the place I want to color. So I'm just going to tap on this place to color it. As you can see, I did not color the background, I just only color the face. So that is the work of these bucket tools. It allows you to color a particular place in your character or in your drawing. So that is the work of these bucket tools. While this one allows you to add text to your animation or your drawing. So all of us all know what text is used for. I'm not going to talk about that one. So I'm just going to come over to this place that says the music icon, which is called the music icon rather. So I'm going to click on it now. So this place allows you to add music or audio to your Flipaclip. So if you want to add music or audio, when you tap on the music icon, come over to this plus icon here, tap on it. As you can see, it says audio library, audio recorder or add audio. So I will choose the one you want to use among all of them. So that is the work of that one. Let's go back. If you want to go back like this, tap on this place to go back. So come over to this place now to talk about the layer icon. I'm going to tap on it. As you can see, we have layer 1. When we come to this place, I'm going to show you better. I cannot explain this place now because you guys are not going to understand. But when we get to the place to explain better, I'm going to explain it to you guys. So that is it. So I'm going to come over to this place now. That says the preview icon. So it allows you to preview what you're animating in your Flipaclip. So now, if you remember, I said earlier 12 frames to make 1 minute 1 second animation. This is where to achieve that now. To create more pages to make 1 second animation. So I have to create 12 pages here to make 1 second animation. So I'm going to tap on it. When I tap on it, as you can see, these tools were activated when I tap on it. So for us to have another page again, this Flipaclip, when you tap on it, just tap on this place now. Tap on it, then tap on this place to paste. This place allows you to copy, while this one allows you to paste. So I'm going to tap on it to paste. As you can see, when I tap on paste, we have 2 pages now. So we have to create 12 pages to make 1 second animation. So let's go. Tap on it and paste. Tap on it and paste. You don't need to copy again because you have actually copied from the first one to paste the second frame. So when you have pasted the second frame, you should just tap on it once. Tap on it to activate the tools, then paste. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 12 frames now, which is 1 second animation. So that is how to achieve that. For you to create 12 frames to make 1 second animation. So now if you want to now add image to your Flipaclip, come over to this place, tap on it. So this is place to do your project setting, which we have done earlier in the first place. This place allows you to see your frame, numbers of frame. So let's click on it now. As you can see, we actually have 12 frames. So we have 1 second animation like that. So I'm going to click on it again. Then come over to this add image. For you to add image to your Flipaclip, You can also add audio to your, you can also add video to your Flipaclip also. Then for you to make your animation, just click on make movie. After I click on make movie, as you can see, from canvas size it actually changed to YouTube size. So you can still change it. Just tap on it if you want to change it. Just tap on it to change it, but I don't need to change it because I'm recording this video for a YouTube size. So choose the format you want to render or generate your movie. Choose the format that's suitable for you. Then as you can see, this Flipaclip watermark was turned off because I'm using the premium one. So if you need the premium one, just subscribe to the premium version of the Flipaclip. Then after I've done your setting, just click on make movie. Make movie. As you can see this down please now. Sorry. If you check this down please. You can see 12 frame, 1 seconds, 12 frames. So we have 1 second animation. So 12 frames make 1 second animation. So after that, just click on make movie. A movie with same name already as we like to replace it. Yes. So just click on yes and wait for it to generate. So we have actually generated our animation. Tap on it to preview. Actually it's 1 second animation. So if you click on this place, just check this place. If I tap on it, just look at this place. You see that it's 1 second. So let me tap on it to show you guys. I hope you can see that 1 second animation. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, can give it a thumbs up, comment, share to your loved ones and family, and also do not forget to come back to this channel to watch the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.